गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम सभी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हाई स्कूल के अंग्रेजी प्रश्न पत्र की चर्चा करेंगे। इस प्रश्न पत्र का कोड 817 MH है। इसके लिए 3 घंटे 15 मिनट का समय निर्धारित किया गया है। 15 मिनट आप सभी को प्रश्न पत्र पढ़ने के लिए अलॉट किया गया है तथा इसका मैक्सिमम मार्क 70 है। हम इस प्रश्न पत्र में केवल प्रश्न पत्र की चर्चा करेंगे तथा इसका सॉल्वेशन वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के माध्यम से आप लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाएगा। ध्यान से देखें। नोट: फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स आर allotted to the candidates for reading the question paper. Instructions: the question paper is divided into 2 sections, A and B. Next, all questions from both the sections are compulsory. Next, marks are indicated against each question. Next, read the questions very carefully before you start answering them. Section A. Read the following passage and answer the question given below it. When Socrates was an old man, his fame had spread far and wide. The house of many a rich man opened its door to him, for people felt honored to have him as their guest. By degrees, a special group of pupils gathered around him and followed him wherever he went. Among them was a young man called Plato, who treasured every word which his master uttered, and in later years became famous as a teacher as Socrates himself. First question from this passage: write the name of the lesson from which the above passage has been taken. Who is the author of this lesson? Next, why were many rich men eager to have Socrates as their guest? Question number second. Answer one of the following questions in about 60 words. First, what, according the lesson, the enchanted pool, are the qualities which man must have? Next question, what does Pandit Nehru say about the river Ganga and her different modes in different seasons? Question number third. Answer 2 of the following questions in about 25 words each. First, what did Lencho write in his second letter to God? B. How did the two sons in the lesson torch bearers spend their rupee? Next, why did Akbar and Tansen go to the Himalayas? Question number 4. Match the words of list A and their meanings in list B. List A: revive, crooks, symbol, whispered. List B: token, said slowly, dishonest persons, come back to life. Question number 5. Read the following piece of poetry and answer the questions given below it. Ever in motion, blithesome and cheery, still climbing heavenward, never a weary. First option from the question number 5. Write the title of the poem from which the given piece of poetry has been taken. Second, each of the above 4 lines describes a particular quality of the fountain. Mention them. Question number 6. Give the central idea of one of the following poems: The Psalm of Life or The Nation Builders. Or write 4 lines from one of the poems given in your textbook. Do not copy out the lines given in the question paper. Question number 7. Answer 2 of the following questions in about 25 words each. First, how did Edison become famous in America? B. What did the village boy find in the pasture? Third, what did Lujlong do on the success of Jesse Owens in the finals? Question number 8. Point out true and false in the following statements. First, parents of Edison encouraged him in the work. Second, Edison was fond of reading books. Third, King of Ujjain, after all, succeeded in sitting on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. Lujlong did not want Jesse Owens to qualify for the finals. Question number 9. Select the most suitable alternative to complete the following statements. First, Edison told his teacher, but the kites have no wing and still we can fly them in the sky. It was an intelligent answer, a doubtful answer, a silly answer, a wrong answer. Option B. The Vikram Samvat owes its origin to Samudragupta, Ashok, Vikramaditya, Chandragupta Maurya. Third, the judgment seat of Vikramaditya was made of iron, silver, gold, or stone. Olympic Games were held in Berlin in 1936, 1932, 1940, or 1945. 1944. Section B. Section B starts from question number 10. Do as indicated against each of the following statements. First, in evening, play football, we the. Frame the correct sentence by reordering the words. B. Did you lock the front door? Question mark. By mother asked me. Changing into indirect speech. Third, he has answered all the questions. Change into passive voice. D. He dash in Delhi since 1998. Use the correct forms of the verb live. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The ring is made space gold. B. Complete the following sentence. He admitted that space. Next, complete the spelling of the following words. F R dash dash K, and the second one C dash U dash L. Question 11 and the section D. Punctuate the following using capital letters wherever necessary. He said, "Will you help me, or shall I ask someone else?" Translate the following into English. नई दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है। भारत के राष्ट्रपति और प्रधानमंत्री नई दिल्ली में रहते हैं। नई दिल्ली में लाल किला और कुतुब मीनार प्रसिद्ध ऐतिहासिक इमारतें हैं। प्रगति मैदान और अप्पू घर यहाँ के आकर्षण हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योर कॉलेज रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम टू अरेंज रेगुलर इवनिंग गेम्स, और write a letter to your father requesting him to allow you to go on a educational tour organized by your college, and also to send rupees 2000 for it. Question number 12. Write a composition on one of the following topic in about 60 words. Points are given below for each topic to drop the composition. First, a wedding ceremony attended by you. Second, early morning scenes in public park. Next, my best friend. And the last question of this paper, named question number 15. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions. Set theorem. We sometimes think that it would be very nice to have no work to do. How do we envy rich people who have not to work for their living, but can do just what they please all the year round. Yet, when we feel this, we make mistake. Sometimes they are tired of having nothing to do. Most of us are happy when we have regular work to do. The first thing work does for us is to give us happiness. The work gives us self-respect. The idler, however, rich lives on the work of others, but the honest worker who earns his living by useful toil can hold up his head and respect himself. Lastly, regular work helps us in building up character. It teaches us such good habits as punctuality, carefulness, and faithfulness in work. It is the man who works, not the idler, that as a rule develops the best character. Question number first from the question number 15. Why do we sometimes envy rich people? Second, what are the benefits of regular work? Thank you friends. Thanks for watching video. I will send the solution of this paper in the next video. Thank you.